Hello guys, let's jump in the project. Alright, so you will go to this Google Looker Studio dashboard that you will find the link below in the video. Then after you landed here, you will click the three dots, make a copy. You will copy your account. In this case, I'm using the GA4 merge shop. Alright. You will likely see just one data source available where you copy it. As soon as you copy with your GA4 data, all right, you will make a click here on the three dots, then export to Google Sheet. All right, then you will recalculate the average session duration that was exported as a number, right? So you will copy the formula here in the chat on the comment section and you will paste it here, and basically you will like transform back the average session duration. You will copy the name and then you will make a copy of it, and then you will press Ctrl+Shift+B, or basically pasting the column without formulas so we can have data here. You will delete the average session duration column, and now you will rename the columns. This step and all the steps are really important. So for total users, you will use total user percent share. These names are also on the video description. The transactions per share rate will be also edited. All right. This column will be named transaction conversion rate because is that what it is. And we have average session duration. We already have that. Next step, we are going to select these columns and we will reduce the number of decimals to just 2 points. The same with the conversion rate. All right, now we are going to select just 30 rows of data. So I will delete all this. So we are building this to give the AI in the next step a data set, not too big, but with enough information and key information of landing pages so it can make a good analysis and recommendations. So as soon you have these names ready in the column and all the steps I just mentioned, you will go to File here, and then you will download this as a CSV file. Let's open this. I'm going to name this Pro 2. You can name this whatever you want, right? I just want to use that name. And then you will go to your favorite LLM. I use a lot Cloud Pro. So next you will upload the file Pro 2, and next you will paste the following prompt that yes, you have that here on the chat description, on the video description, and that's it. Calculate the median, average, mode, mean, max, and standard deviation of each metric. And we are going to wait for it. It will think, it will process the requirement, it will run this analyze tool. So if you can invest a lot on your LLM level and analytics skills, that will be wonderful, because it will give you a more valuable output here. All right, so as you notice, like this step was just to create a CSV file that our AI can do something interesting. So we already have that. We have total users percent share, bounce rate, and we have a great calculation of the metrics we are interested. So the idea is to have these values, to have them available in the context window of our AI, so the AI can reread these KPI statistics descriptions and then do a good analysis. So next step, let's copy the other prompt I have for you on the video description, and we ask to the AI to make an analysis to determine what are the best landing page, what are the words, and how can we optimize the landing pages. So it will continue running this analysis, and we will have a base for an analysis. And for sure, make sure your data is accurate. Like when you create the CSV file, audit your own data before you run to the LLM, because if you send that data, you will get a bad analysis. Also, when you calculate these steps, you know, make sure it's calculated properly. I'm not doing this to don't make the video more extensive, but you should always be careful with the data. You have to constantly audit your own data, so you make sure you are doing good analysis. Alright, so finally we have our page report. So the top performing landing page, this is the checkout, and it created its own score, and it shows you why, right? This has a exceptional conversion rate, high value page URL, and significant transactions, long average session duration. So it has sense, right? If Google Merch Shop is sending back people to the checkout for missing add to carts or missing checkouts, so it has sent this a great performance. Then the homepage with absolute transaction value, 63% of total users, and average session duration. So here in example we can like very quickly verify if this is true. It says 63% of total traffic. Let's go to our data, and yes, 63% of traffic, 4 minutes and 40 seconds of session duration. Yes, it's correct. And basically you have an analysis of the best, the worst, and also like key optimization opportunities. So homepage, it show you what to do, like in example, make A/B tests for the hero section and CTAs, and you have like a good start to do a landing page report to get optimization. You can share this with your developers, with your team, and you can also like make other suggestions, like create a dashboard that shows the top landing pages performing with great session duration. So you can ask it to make dashboard within, like in this, like Cloud can create like Node, React, a React element here with visualization. So it's pretty cool the things you can do. And you can also like make some questions and answer sessions, like make that exploration about questions you have about the different landing pages. And this principle you learn on this video, you can apply it to other reports for sure. This is just a sample of what you can do with a landing page report. And having that in a Looker Studio makes very easy to pilot the data you want to process before sending that to a LLM like this. So heavy activity here on my screen, like trying to create the visualization of the dashboard. So let's wait until it ends. And here we have the example of what I asked it. Also we have frame visualization here with key insights. So possibilities are a lot of the things you can build. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to make this channel with more awareness. Thanks for your time. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.